Right, I'm on the edge of Bowden Down, and I know that there's another down I saw on the map further on, so I'm just going to go and have a look at that. Hopefully this is filming video better than the GoPro does. So we came up here from North Brantor area, past Bowden Down, and did this little circuit here where I went to Liddaton, wondered if there was anywhere to park. There wasn't anywhere to park. If I'd have kept going forward, I would have arrived at Chillaton. I went right and I zigzagged up here. It was very tight roads, not very nice. And then it says Liddaton green here, but I don't see how there's going to be a green. Over here would be where the houses of the village are. I guess it's called West Liddaton. That would have connected to the road that also goes to Chillaton. I chose right, so that took me on a loop past a little farm with a dog called Bowden Hill, and then back onto Bowden Down. There was another option, because there's little crossroads up here at Liddaton. I could have gone forward. It would have taken me on a road over the dismantled railway to some weird, a very weird T-junction. One would go right to Coles Wood, where we were the other day, and a Shelter Wood. So that's that silvery road that we saw through the trees. And then another one to the left would take me to Coreyton, which I haven't been to before. So maybe I'll pass these at some point. You've got Coreyton Barton up here and Coreyton itself with the church here. Just more small looking roads, I guess. It's going to be called Liddaton Down. Is there a way that I'll be able to get back if I go this way. Yes, I have to turn right at Liddaton at the next crossroads. Not in gear. Steep downhill. You'll see a tiny bit of Liddaton when we get back to Bowden. This isn't much of a road anymore, it's grassy moss in the centre of it. Yikes. Oh god. I don't know if I'd describe this as a road. Very countryside road. See much of Liddaton down there. Again, quite narrow. I don't want a tractor to come. There could be cows here, there's a cow sign. I don't know what I'd do with cows in the road here. Find another route, I guess. That's wider. Wider, yeah. Very narrow around here. Oh, doggy. Careful. Careful, doggo. Jesus. I guess he's a farm dog. Bowden Down. Yep, okay, we've been here. We crossed left to right here. Okay, that's interesting. I guess we had watched where this road goes. This goes to the end where we were.
Thank you for watching.
That's where that goes.